5 minutes to kill a mutant, half a day to clean your uniform off.
Remember that not all research requires hands-on specimen collection.
Hello. Looking for some equipment, are you? Here's what we've got. Have a nice day. Hello. Looking for some equipment, are you? Here's what we've got. Have a nice day.
Alright, a joke won't tell itself. So a warden goes to a shrink and says, "Doctor, I've been feeling like I'm an idiot, a cheapskate, and a jerk. Do I have a split personality or something?" "No, young man. You've had an epiphany." "Well, thanks for trying." Hey, why the long faces? Let me cheer you guys up.
We had some real artifacts back in the day. Now, it's a shit pile of junk.
If you're looking for a place to rest and eat, a place for a good talk and decent drinks, somewhere to find peace, come to the 100 Rats Bar. New clients are always welcome.
When the factions are fighting, it's great for business. The demand for our goods is through the roof. Restocking can be a challenge sometimes, but it's nothing we can't handle. Ragman has it easy, of course. The guns he sells are still smoking. I suppose old habits die hard. Hopefully that drunk will meet the same fate soon enough. Take a look at my merchandise. I've got quite a selection to choose from. What can I get you? Gear or gun? Don't even bother going to Ragman.
I don't like what's going on in Rostock right now, pal. War means death, and I came too close to that once. I'm not in a hurry to get back there. But I can't just up and leave, you know? Guys here need all my supplies. Are you gonna try something on? The best defense is good protection. What are you looking for? Take care, friend.
Hey, man. I see you're back, huh?
No, I'm just passing through.
Come on, cut it out. It's payday, right?
I
And
just
you're
persuaded
thinking
Pike
about
to
what
listen
do
to
with
his
your
body and
paycheck.
reduce his
Well,
tobacco and
I did get
alcohol
some overtime this
consumption.
week. Good for
Then they
you.
brought him in
And
with
it's the right
3
time to
bullet
place a double
holes
bet.
after a
Turn
run-in
that
with duty.
overtime into
He
double
barely held
time.
on for half an hour.
Maybe just a couple.
I don't understand why everyone here seems so eager to die. What could be more valuable than life? Okay, tell me what the problem is. It's okay, I'm a doctor.
What now? Bye-bye.
Oh, a new face? Come here. I'll pour you a drink on the house. In exchange for some cash, of course. Sup, bro? Just so you know, this is a classy establishment, so we kindly ask you to take any disputes to the arena.
What's the arena?
It's an awesome place to blow off some steam and earn some green. It's all about no-holds-barred brawls, bro. If you survive, you make bank. If you lose, Arnie'll give you a sweet funeral.
How do I sign up? What do I get for winning?
Talk to Arnie if you want to sign up. He'll get you in the ring in no time. As for the reward, it's the usual. Respect, fame, and coupons. And free booze from yours truly, if you really dazzle me.
Beer with vodka in it.
Respect. Maybe you'd like something with a little more kick to it. How about a hit?
Want to trade?
Stay safe, bro. And don't be a stranger.
Turning into a zombie is one. I don't enjoy it.
It's about time we stopped playing nice with duty. The moment Korshinov looked the other way, they decided to stab us in the back. So I've got a lot of work to do. No time for sitting around. So, are you going or not? Think fast. What's our destination? We'll meet again.
Ah, fresh meat in search of fame and fortune. You'll get it all, my friend. If you survive, that is. So, your first fight is 2-on-2. No self-respecting gambler would bet on a match like this, but it's a way for me to see what you can do. Here's the deal. I assign you a partner, and you two face off against another pair of guys like you. Except they're a couple of greedy dipshits. Sound good?
Well said. Let's go.
Then go. Kick their asses or wind up dog food. It's all up to you. And your gun to Weezer. He'll provide you with a weapon. You can't bring your own, either to my arena or Ganja's bar.
First time, eh? Well, if you're lucky, it won't be your last. Now, hand me your shit.
Okay, here. What do I get in return?
Don't worry. I won't let you go out there empty-handed. That's not the kind of spectacle we want. You'll find some gear in the locker by the entrance. Everybody gets the same stuff. Leave your gear with me. Don't worry, I'll keep an eye on it. Or, if you die, we'll just keep it. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a hell of a racket. See? All your bitching was for nothing. That's a good gun I gave you. I'll take it back now, by the way.
Take it. Where's mine?
In the locker by the stairs, safe and sound. Talk to Arnie to collect your reward.
One win doesn't mean anything. You're still just a piece of meat. Maybe not quite as rotten as you seemed at first. Here's your bonus. Come back in an hour if you want. I don't think we can clean up the arena any faster. So go have a drink at Ganges. Your chances are always better when you're well rested.
Come here, bro. Don't be shy.
Want to trade?
Stay safe, bro. And don't be a stranger.
Howdy. Don't be a stranger.
My head hurts so bad. That's it. No more vodka.
You made the right call choosing me. Don't even bother going to Ragman.
Now that the treaty's been broken, I'm swamped with orders. Doesn't leave much room for creativity. You've got some tech to fix? Well, let's see it. Will your item remain the same when I'm finished with it, or will it undergo a complete transformation? Come back anytime.
Cover me, man! I'm going that way! What a game, huh? No coupons, 0 leads, and an empty stomach.
Heading to the zombiest of world. I'd rather die fast. It's a hell of a place. The howling wind, the fields of clearing.
You made the right call choosing me. What can I get you? Gear or gun? Don't even bother going to Ragman.
You need something fixed? Well, will your item remain the same when I'm finished with it, or will it undergo a complete transformation? Come back anytime.
It's gonna rain. Either that or there's division.
I could sure go for a nice steam bath right about now.
I sure could go for a nice steam bath right about now.
My knees are killing me. Guess it's gonna rain.
now. Bye-bye.
I see the audience gave you quite the warm welcome. Then I can put you up against a few of our little mutant friends. The odds are 10 to 1 at the moment. Not in your favor, of course.
Mutants. Whatever. I'd bet on me this time.
Yeah? I've heard that one before. The last guy who told me that got eaten by boars. There wasn't enough left of him to fill a trash can. So, best of luck.
You know the drill. Hand me your gear and take what you need from the locker.
Will you at least give me a good gun?
A better one than last time, that's for sure. But the gun is less important than skill here. Off you go. The critters are waiting. I'm starting to like your style, man. You certainly know how to handle a weapon. Just don't get too cocky. Here in the arena, you never know when your luck is gonna run out. Now hand over the gun. Don't forget to grab your stuff on the way out.
Not bad. Not bad at all. You just might make it to the winner's circle one day, if you keep it up. Here's your coupons. You earned them. Come back in an hour for more. In the meantime, I'll tidy up and think about what to put you up against next.
Here's the Polovic. No clinking glasses on this one.
You want to chat?
I need to find some people. Ozerski mentioned you might be able to help me with that.
You're making some friends, I see. Ozerski is a man with a heart of gold. When he's not being pain in the ass, anyway.
You seem pretty popular yourself. Are you some kind of recruiter? Bringing folks to Stride or mingling with scientists, cozying up to S.T.A.L.K.E.R. And you keep popping up wherever I go, too.
Must be the Zone's will. Nah, there's a plenty of recruiters here without me. By the way, there's that stalker who showed up after the signal, S.T.A.L.K.E.R. Ever heard of him? He's a legend around here. I hear he's putting together a new crew. He doesn't like what's going on in the Zone and he wants to shake things up.
How can I find this S.T.A.L.K.E.R guy?
Nah. I might have said too much already. Either the Zone's gonna help you, or S.T.A.L.K.E.R will find you himself. But I don't think you two would hit it off right now. As long as you and S.T.A.L.K.E.R keep looking for the Shining Zone, you better stay away from S.T.A.L.K.E.R. He doesn't trust or cooperate with anyone. Can you really blame him?
There are no trustworthy people in the Zone. S.T.A.L.K.E.'s got that right. Looking for allies is a waste of time. Speaking of which, do you know anyone on this list?
I know one of them, Dvupalov. He's a real grump when he's sober, which, thankfully, isn't often. He's usually holed up in his old hideout and doesn't entertain visitors. If you want to talk to him, you'll need to bring him a collar from a mutant. He used to do some research with the collars, and now he just collects them. Talk about sentimental.
Is this the type of collar Dvupalov collects?
Wow! You've certainly been around the Zone if you've managed to find one. You're shaping up to be quite the stalker. Now that you have the collar, you're good to head to Dvupalov's hideout. I'll send you the coordinates. If he asks you for a password, the answer is leash. Remember, if the professor offers you a drink, don't turn it down. It'll make the conversation smoother. But don't try to outdrink him either. You won't stand a chance. See ya.
You share everything you have in my stuff with the GSC member.
But at least they brought some. Did you hear the news? Freedom and Duty are at it again. Now I gotta sit here and wait for Duty to storm in, take Rostock back, and execute me as a traitor. But for the moment, it's mostly just threats. And I've still got work to do. So, what's your poison?
Do you have any work for me?
You're in the market for some new gear, and the old coupon stash is running low, eh? I get it. Here's what I can offer you. A wealthy customer got a birthday gift from the mainland. The courier stashed it nearby. It's kinda urgent, but this customer is a real big tipper. If you can handle the delivery, you'll get a sweet bonus.
Okay, I'll do it.
I'll wait for some news then.
You made the right call choosing me. What can I get you? Gear or gun? Don't even bother going to Ragman.
It's all been fun and games up till now. I'm offering you a serious match this time. This is the real deal. In your corner, it's gonna be you and... well, that's it. Your opponents are gonna be all the guys who survived the last 2 rounds. One of them is Walter, by the way. Imagine taking a bullet from a guy who had your back before. Are you ready to show the arena who the real king is?
So you want me to go solo against the group, huh? That's a challenge. I like it.
Then good luck. Just don't catch a bullet right away. And if you die, make sure you go out in a blaze of glory. The crowd eats that shit up.